BG circuit protection. Flexible installation, superior protection. Engineered based on real-world contractor feedback to be both versatile and easy to install. The range features optimized cable entry points, maximized cabling space, and improved cable management. A reinforced removable DIN rail shaped for secure device attachment, and single module Type 2 SPD, which frees up valuable space in the board. Whilst additional MCB-style blanks snap securely into place for a neat professional finish, complemented by an easy-fit bus bar cover, backed-out retained screws and spirit level. Enhanced accessories include a flexible pre-cut grommet strip supplied as standard, with a heavy-duty grommet strip available separately. A new rear clip-in cable protector that offers 4 flexible sections and one-size-fits-all magnetic standoff mount, designed for quick installation and easy cable access. With a wide range of devices suitable for all applications, including Amendment 3 compliant bi-directional devices for EV and PV use. Available in 7 single-row sizes, as well as 2 dual-row options, plus 2 recessed sizes and IP65 weatherproof enclosure. For more information, visit our website.